Hey guys, Lady Cebuana here in New Jersey, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is my take for HUMBA. This is a very popular dish for bisdak like me. Any occasions won't be complete without the presence of HUMBA in the table. Birthday, Christmas, fiesta, and so on. This is the partner of pancit. HUMBA is the BISAYA version for adobo with a twist by adding some sweetness in it. On my end, I used pork belly, but you can use any pork meat with some fats on it like the pork legs, shoulder, and some use the head part of the pork. And here are the ingredients. A kilo of pork belly, or any part of pork with fats, 2 to 3 cloves garlic, crushed, 1 large onion, chopped, 1/4 cup fermented black beans, drained, 2/3 cups vinegar, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup pineapple crushed or pineapple juice, 3 pieces bay leaves, ground black pepper, water, salt, dried banana blossoms. In my end, I'm unfortunate enough I can't find it in my area, but it would be nice if you have that. In a mixing bowl, combine all ingredients except water, black pepper, and salt. Marinate for 30 to 60 minutes. Pour the marinade in the pot. Add 2 to 3 cups of water in a medium heat. Simmer until tender. Add more water as needed until the pork is super tender. Season it with salt and pepper according to your taste. The secret of best HUMBA is patience. You have to cook it over time until the meat is so tender. Kana ganing pisliton sa kutsara, lata na kaayo. Wow, that's so yummy.